This is part 2 of Skinny Dip candle demonstration. I didn't quite get everything covered, so I'm going to put a part 2 on it. As you can see, I have a candle lit, and it is getting a little oily. It takes 2 or 3 minutes for it to melt down. And this is what the candle looks like in its natural state. It comes with a nice little scoop. What you do, you just take this little scoop, and you can just scoop out as much as you want. You don't really need very much. And you just kind of rub it in your hand. Rub it around all over. Makes your skin super soft, smooth. Smells wonderful. And here we have candle with the oil, and as you can see, there's a little oil in there. What you do is you extinguish the flame, and then you just use the oil. And as you can see, it doesn't burn. It's like a warm bath. And then you rub that around, and it makes your skin nice and soft, smooth, smelling wonderful. This is great after a bath. It's great if you have very dry skin, like during the summer. Great for gifts. Mother's Day is coming up. Father's Day is coming up. We do have a man scent called So Sexy for Him. We have several scents. We have over 40 scents. I have here some of the more popular scents. We have White Lily and Amber, Margarita, Cucumber and Melon, Strawberries and Champagne, Seduction. We have lip balms that actually go with this as well, which are really good. I don't have any of those available at the moment, but we'll have soon. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.